Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller wirelessly to your personal computer. First, confirm your computer has Bluetooth capability, either built-in or via an adapter. Next, activate pairing mode on your controller by pressing and holding the PlayStation button and the share button together for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes rapidly. Finally, open your computer's Bluetooth settings, select Add Bluetooth or Other Device, and choose Bluetooth. Your controller should appear as Wireless Controller. Click to connect it. Once connected, Steam offers excellent native support. Open Steam and switch to Big Picture mode, which provides a full-screen, controller-friendly interface. From there, go to the Settings menu and select Controller Settings. Make sure to check the box for PlayStation configuration support. This enables Steam to properly detect and configure your PlayStation 4 controller for a vast library of games, allowing you to customize button mappings and even track battery life directly within the platform. For more advanced customization and broader game compatibility, consider using DS4 Windows. This free, open-source tool allows your PlayStation 4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, which many personal computer games natively support. After downloading and installing it, DS4 Windows will automatically detect your wirelessly connected controller. You can then create custom profiles, remap buttons, adjust touchpad sensitivity, and even set up macros, giving you unparalleled control over your gaming experience. If you encounter any issues, start by ensuring your PlayStation 4 controller is fully charged. Low battery can sometimes cause connection instability. Also, verify that your personal computer's Bluetooth drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit. If problems persist, try restarting both your computer and the controller. Finally, keep your controller within a reasonable range, typically up to 10 meters, and minimize obstructions for a stable and reliable wireless connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.